Creating YouTube Shorts, Tips and Techniques for Success. To create YouTube Shorts, you need to have a few things. Number 1. A YouTube account. You will need to have a YouTube account to upload your shorts. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free by going to youtube.com and clicking on the sign in button in the top right hand corner of the page. Number 2. A smartphone. You will need a smartphone to film your shorts. Any modern phone should be able to record high quality video, so you don't need to have the latest, most expensive model. Number 3. A YouTube Shorts creator. You can use the YouTube Shorts creator to edit your videos and add music, text, and other features to your shorts. The Shorts creator is available on the YouTube mobile app, so you can use it on your smartphone. To make your YouTube Shorts interesting, here are a few tips. Number 1. Tell a story. A good story can make your shorts more engaging and memorable. Consider using a narrative structure to help your viewers follow along and get invested in what's happening. Number 2. Use music. Music can add energy and emotion to your shorts. Look for songs that match the mood and tone of your video. And be sure to respect copyright laws when using music in your shorts. Number 3. Show personality. Your shorts are a chance to show off your unique personality and perspective. Don't be afraid to be authentic and share your thoughts and feelings with your viewers. Number 4. Edit your video. Use the YouTube Shorts creator to trim, cut, and rearrange your footage to create a cohesive and engaging video. Number 5. Use captions. Captions can help your shorts reach a wider audience, including people who are deaf or hard of hearing. YouTube has an automatic captioning feature that can create captions for your shorts, or you can create your own captions manually. Thank you for watching this video. Please click and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you can be notified of our next video.